Are you constantly worried about your child every time they go to school? Well, worry no more. Meet their little guardian, the kid's smart watch. This watch is packed with features like video calls, safe zones, motion tracking, SIM card calling, and so much more. Let's unbox it. To turn it on, just tap and hold the power button. It's recommended to fully charge the device before first use. It has a solid and durable build, and the watch face rotates, which is useful when charging. You need to lift the watch face to access the charging port. On the side, you'll find the power button right next to the SOS button. Here are some key features. 360 degrees rotating dual cameras. 1.83-inch large screen. 800 mAh long-lasting battery. IP65 waterproof rating. GPS tracker. One of the best parts. You can insert a SIM card, so you can call your child anytime, anywhere. To insert the SIM card, use the included SIM ejector pin to open the SIM slot. Make sure the watch is turned off before inserting the SIM. To pair the smartwatch with your smartphone, simply scan the QR code found in the user manual, then follow the steps shown. When you press the SOS button, it takes you directly to the main features. Video call, phone book, dial pad, camera, device management, call logs, chat, album, pedometer, settings, alarm, and many more. It even has games to keep your child entertained when they're bored. The camera can rotate front and back as mentioned earlier, and you can access saved photos in the album. Through the dial pad, your child can also call you anytime. This amazing kids smartwatch is available for only 2,659 pesos on their official Shopee store. I'll include the link in the description so you can place your order.